Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you a effect. That's what I do. Yeah. So anyways, this is a video. So what you're gonna do is take a screenshot of the last frame like this, then open it up in Photoshop. After opening it in Photoshop, what you're gonna do is make a mask. Okay, here we have a cutout. Export it in PNG. Here we have the PNG right here. And then take this one, export it like this. And now what you're gonna do is make this one a little bit bigger in scale. Yeah, 120 is fine. 120. This one's also 120. This one 120 as well. What you're gonna do is right here, then make a keyframe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Revert it to 110, and this one to 125. Yep. Oh, I forgot to make a keyframe for this one. No worries, no worries. Yep, so now we have this, and what you're gonna do is select both of these, make it bezier like this, and if you open this you can have these, so you can adjust the graph according to yourself like this. Right here you can see we just need a bump here, and that's it. And this one, make it 125 right here like this, and then go to effect, search Mosaic, whatever, take this, put it over here, and then we are gonna keyframe it as well like this. Make it 30-30 both sides. Okay, then make a keyframe right here and Mosaic, and then make a keyframe about 10 or 15 frames ahead and make it 30-30, and here make it around 1000, both around 1000. And now what you have to do is go to the first keyframe, go to the rotation property in both of these, check on animate, and then go to the next keyframe, rotate it a bit like this, this one also like this, and then do what you did in the scale property. Go here, just gentle shake around the beat, like this beat. Make a cut here like this, and then you can add your color grading on it, and yeah, it's done. And yeah, it's done. Baby, till you begging me to stop. Oh, it's the boy again. I mean, that motherfucker, all he do is win. I mean that. And yeah, it's done.